Welcome to FNB Solar Wash, serving residential and commercial solar systems across Karachi. Professional, safe and reliable. We hope your solar system is performing well. Regular solar panel cleaning helps maintain maximum efficiency and better electricity production. Reliable service, affordable pricing, safe cleaning methods, safe cleaning process, high pressure washer, telescopic soft microfiber brush. Terms and conditions. Discount offer valid for new residential customers only. Transportation charges may apply. Water and electricity connection must be available. Ladder, platform access required where applicable. Service subject to site conditions. Book your appointment today by call or WhatsApp on 0300 373 2537. If you enjoy our solar panel transformation videos, please support our small business. Like and follow our Facebook page. Every follow helps us reach more homeowners across Karachi.